Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is actioner. 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 Actioner is an informal term that typically isn't found in standard English dictionaries, but it's used colloquially to refer to movies or stories that are primarily focused on action, often in the context of the film industry. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The summer blockbuster was a classic actioner filled with car chases and explosive stunts. Why actioner is used in example number 1. In this example, actioner is used to describe a film known for its action-packed sequences. Example number 2. Fans of actioners often look forward to adrenaline-pumping fight scenes and thrilling special effects. Why actioner is used in example number 2. Actioners are mentioned as a genre that features exciting fight scenes and special effects. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.